I don't know, good 10 years of dirt.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but my windows was filthy. And let me tell you, I tried everything to clean my windows and I could not get them clean. All the Windex in the world just didn't work. I actually got this trick here on YouTube. So all you need is Dawn dish soap. You can add some vinegar like I did, or maybe just try the soap, or maybe just try the vinegar. But I just wanted to do the soap and the vinegar together because I wanted to make sure that this worked. And I just had to share with you guys. I literally was going to hire a cleaning crew because I simply could not figure out how to clean my windows. Unfortunately, I did not have my camera with me when I actually did the windows, so that's why I'm recording how I did it on the door glass. But I didn't want to redo it because Chris had already put up the blinds. But let me tell you, my windows are so clean now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this technique and it works. Throw away the Windex. Throw away the Windex.